Okay, this is question number 24 from November 23, paper 2H. Okay, this is the question from simplifying algebraic fractions. Here, if you see, there is a big expression on the left hand side, and they are asking you to show to that in the simplified form it is this. And here you have a addition part and a multiplication. So what we can do is we can start from here. I am doing everything in one like no taking all terms together. The first thing what you have to do is you need to factorize this numerator. 45 and 80, the highest common factor will be 5. So 5 I will take, and x cube and x common factor is x. So that inside I will get 9x square minus 16. Hope this is clear. Over, you need to use your calculator and factorize 3x square plus x minus 4 using mode 5 3. That will help you and save time. Okay, so what will you get? Check. If you factorize this, you should get these. That means when you're putting it in mode 5 3, you should get your two answers as 1 and negative 4 over 3. That then only you can write the factors like this. Okay, so now I have factorized this particular thing. Now there is a multiplication. Okay, remember we are only solving this and our answer should be equal to this. Now for this part, I want, it is an addition, so I will multiply this whole term up and down by x. Then I'll get this much plus the right side 1 over x. I will multiply up and down with 3x minus 4. Remember, you cannot break 3x minus 4 separately. It is to be considered as, so there is an x already and you are multiplying it with 3x minus 4. Okay. Now, here if you see, keep this aside. This one, x 3x minus 4, x 3x minus 4. So, basically I have made the denominator common. So, again I am copying the numerator as it is because I don't see any factor that I can cancel up and down. Okay, times. Now here I will just write x 3x minus 4 because I have made the denominator common, and numerator will be x plus 3x minus 4. Remember, there is a plus here, so this remains same. If there is a minus here, then it will become minus 3x and minus of minus, which will become plus 4. That is only if there is a minus. But most of you keep making that mistake of not changing the sign. Now again, I will copy, and in this step, okay. Now my 9x square minus 16 can be further factorized. See, 9 is the square of 3 and 16 is the square of 4, and there is an x square here. So this on factorization will give me, 3x minus 4 and 3x plus 4. This I could have done even in the previous step. Now things are becoming clear. Times x plus 3x is 4x minus 4 over x times 3x minus 4. Okay. Now see, even this has a common factor 4, which we can write in the next step. But as it is with the present thing itself, now that I have a multiplication sign, I can always start cancelling common factors. What are the common factors? I can cancel the 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4. It's a multiplication. 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4. Okay. There is this x and there is this x cancelled. So what am I left with? I am left with only a 5. So I wrote the 5 and then its multiplication times 4 common x minus 1, because 4x minus 4 has 4 common. I took that 4 out, x minus 1. over x minus 1. Okay, so what am I getting my answer as? X minus 1, x minus 1, remember this is the whole thing, is equal to 20. Okay, now I did not read the question. I read this as show. Okay, it says solve this is equal to this. So now this part I have got my answer as 20. Now I will just equate 4 times x plus 2. So that part I am writing it here, 4 times x plus 2 over, because I have to solve, this is equal to this, 5x minus 8, 5x minus 8 equal to 20. So what is the step? Open the bracket, let me use the black pen only. 4x plus 8 equals 20 times 5x minus 8. So 4x plus 8 equals 20 times 5 is 100x minus 160. Now I'll move the x term to the left. So 4x minus 100x equals 160 minus 8 gives me negative 96x equals to negative, no, not positive, not negative, 152. So x is 152 over negative 96, which is equal to, small correction, I moved the 4x to 100x here. There is a minus 160 here. Okay, so it's actually, sorry, this is actually not 160. It's actually minus, so my value will change. So coming back, it's minus 160 minus 8. So that is equal to minus 168. So minus 168, and if you put it in your calculator, you will get the answer as 7 over 4. Okay, I think 24 4s are 96 and 24 7s are 168. So this is the final answer. Hope it is clear.